Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up shortcut to amplify ambient sounds using volume up button and side button in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up this shortcut, we have to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu here, and in advanced settings at the top we have a few possible buttons combinations. We are interested in side and volume up button. Right now we have color filter under this shortcut, but we want to use amplify ambient sound. So we simply change this, and now we can see if it's working. So side button and volume up. Yes, but our headphones are disconnected, so it won't be visible. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.